How's it going, everybody? I'm back. I'm doing a video about... Yeah, how should I put this? Ranking the NHL, all 31 NHL goal horns. Don't be surprised when my cats come in, okay? They all 2017-18 goal horns. And earlier today I put... Oh, this alphabetical, like all... Yep, should be. Alright. Earlier today I posted the Jets 2018-19 schedule on Facebook. Looks like a good schedule. Okay, here we go. Anaheim. Oh, intro. Alright, Anaheim Ducks. I give it a... How should I put this? 2 out of 5. I'll give it that. It's just my opinion, okay? If you like, I don't hate the Ducks form, it's not my favorite. But I like the goal song though. The goal song's awesome. So now this is Arizona. Alright. Alright. Arizona Coyotes, I give it a 7 out of 10. I don't like this version of the horn. I like the horn from the earlier years. It sounds lower. Like, I'm not gonna describe it. Look it up. Goal song's awesome too, by the way. Boston. Alright. Because I don't want to skip to the full song, so I might get copyright strike. Boston. Boston Bruins, 10 out of 10. Love the horn. Keep it forever. Until the world ends. In the next gazillion years. Buffalo. Poor Buffalo, man. They deserve better. Their fans deserve better. Alright, Buffalo. Alright, Buffalo Sabres, I give this, I'm trying to think here, 6.5 out of 10. It's just my opinion. I'm not going to explain reasons why, because I don't want to make this video too long. Calgary. Calgary Flames, 10 out of 10. Hopefully they stay. It would suck to see lose another Canadian team, which I think they'll stay. I wouldn't be surprised if they stay, actually. U.S. has enough teams. Sorry, Houston and Seattle. I'm just kidding. Carolina. Alright, Carolina Hurricanes. 1 out of 10. Sorry. I cringe a little bit. See, like, this side right here is like this. Yeah, that's how bad it is. No offense, Hurricanes fans, for the few ones that exist. Not trying to trigger them, but it's kind of true. Chicago. Chicago Blackhawks. 10 out of 10. Not saying 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. Goalson's badass too. I know I hate the Hawks, but I like the horn and the song. Alright, Colorado. Amazing season for Colorado, by the way. Good bounce back season. Colorado. Alright, I give Colorado a 4 out of 10. You took the dump from the Oilers, did you, Avalanche? Because Oilers used to use that goal song, similar like this, like, from the 2011-12 season. I'm glad Avalanche had a good season, though. Better than last year. Alright. Columbus. But I like last year's song, though. I think it's called We've Gone Delirious by Steve Aoki. I don't know how to say his name. You know who I'm talking about. I like that song better than this one. Just my opinion. Alright. Columbus. Alright, Columbus Blue Jackets. 8.5 out of 10. I'm not a big fan of horns that are so deep in your ears. I like it though. I really like it. It suits the team. I love the cannon. I love the song too. It's like For Those Who Are About to Rock. First part by AC/DC. And the other songs. Oh, 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 oh. I like that song too. Keep It. I love it. I forgot who it's from, but it's a good song. Dallas. Alright, Dallas Stars. I give this a 10 out of 10. I'm not a big fan of this version of the horn, the 2018 version. I like the previous ones from the previous Dallas Stars goal horn videos, but this one sounds similar like Chicago, but I still like it. The song's okay. Sorry. Detroit. Alright, Detroit. Hockey Town, jeez. Hockey Town indeed. Detroit Red Wings. I give this 8 out of 10. I'm not a fan of like recording horns. I forgot to mention this about Boston. I'm not a fan of recording horns either. Hopefully sometime they bring the original horn from Joe Louis Arena to Little Caesars Arena. And it sounds deeper too because it's a recording. But I still like it though. Poor Red Wings. Dynasty came to an end a couple of years ago. Ha! I'm just kidding. One of my grandparents' favorite team. Edmonton. Edmonton Oilers. 7 out of 10. I would rank it higher if there was still a Rexall Place. I don't like the Rogers Place version of the horn. You know, it's the same model horn, just sounds different a little bit. I like the version that sounded at Rexall Place sounds better in my opinion. I love the song though. The song's freaking awesome. Alright, Florida. Florida Panthers. Future Quebec Nordiques. I give this a 10 out of 10. I like the horn. Sounds pretty good too. You know, for I forgot what it's called. You know what I'm talking about. Oh god, 10 minutes. Don't go past 15. Los Angeles. Ten out of 10, 9 out of 10. No, actually 10 out of 10. I love it. Love the horn. Love the song too. Hey, 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 hey. And I love LA by Randy Newman. They should keep this forever, actually, till the world ends in the next gazillion years, like I said before. And this is my uncle's favorite team. Jets' home opener is against the Kings this season. Minnesota. Minnesota, 9 out of 10. I like the horn. Not a fan of the new song. It's okay. I prefer a crowd chant, though. Okay, Montreal. And Montreal. Hey. Alright, Montreal, 1 out of 10. Sorry, Habs fans. Just, it's my opinion. I'm not a fan of big, high-pitched horns. I'm not a big fan. The song's actually okay. I still prefer LeBeau, though. Like, I prefer that as the goal son LeBeau. Nashville Predators. Holy moly, we eliminated them. Not Tom Brady. Okay, Nashville. Nashville Predators. I give this a 7 out of 10. It sounds something like Buffalo a little bit. I like the song too. I'm not a fan of country music, but still like it. It suits the team. Alright, New Jersey. You suck! New Jersey Devils. Sorry for that noise, it's my sister. I give this a 9 out of 10. I like the horn. I like the song's pretty good. And congratulations to Taylor Hall for the heart. Devils fans, thanks Shirley for that. Stupid idiot Shirley. Get fired, would ya? Alright, Islanders. New York. New York Islanders, I give it an 8 out of 10. I like it. I like the song too. I love crowd chant. Suits the team too. And congratulations to Matthew Barzal for winning the Calder. You deserve it, buddy. And I wouldn't be surprised they keep John Tavares and they got Barry Trotz. So I think they're a good team this season. It's not about this. It's about the goal horns. I'll probably talk about that in another video. Alright, one more. Not actually, I'm going to wrap up this video. I don't think it goes over for 15 minutes.